Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 15th April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing just 13 points down move at the level of 11,678.5 levels. US markets have done pretty great for itself on Friday, 269.25 points up on DowJones, that's 1% up, 36 points up on Nasdaq at 0.5% up. S&P up by 19 points, 0.66% up. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets may open in flat to green in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets have delivered quite a okay session on Friday, and we had quite a fall in the beginning, and at the end we ended all the way upwards. So that's because of one of the indicators which I have been teaching to all my students. All my students know about this, so every student is getting this particular smart indicator which is actually making us money from the downs to the top. That's one of the indicator which I have been teaching every one of the student, even the old students as well. Alright, so having said that, let us begin the support and resistances session for today. Let us see what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for. Now we are currently at the level of 11,643, that is around 11,650. So 11,650 is the first support, first resistance, and above that 11,678 and 11,700 are the levels of resistance we have to watch. Above 11,708 we have 11,719 and 11,737 levels which are resistances. Above that 11,760, which is the all-time high, which is a resistance as of now for the market. So what are the supports we have to watch out for? First level of support is 11,600, 11,584 and 11,557 to 11,550 are the levels of support we have to watch out for in immediate terms. And if we have to go further down, the levels of 11,525 and 11,519, 11,515 are the levels of support. If that is also bad, 11,500 is a very strong support for the market. If not, 11,476 levels and 11,450, 11,431, 11,400, 11,384, 11,350, 11,344 are the levels we have to watch out for in the sessions to come. So what is MACD denoting? MACD is at a level of 132 and exponential at 153, which means that we are not having a momentum. We are in the negative momentum zone as of now, because we have hit a trough at the level of 11,760, which is the all-time high, and have been coming downwards. So what is the level of fast stochastic we have to watch out for? Fast stochastic is at the level of 71, and it is showing that we are not in a overbought zone yet. However, we are not in the oversold zone also, so we can go more further down in the market or further upside. It does not matter for fast stochastic as of now. Slow stochastic also is at 65 levels, which means that we are not in the overbought zone or oversold zone. We may go upwards or downwards. That's what it is indicating. So seeing all this, Indian markets may excel in today's session, and it may be a leader in all of the Asian markets as of now. So that's the technical analysis for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 4 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.
And now